Hi there, my name is Erin and I'm one of the Jamie Farm ambassadors. So first we're going to make a loaf of bread. So you want to sprinkle a little bit of oil and then grease it around the tin because you don't want it to stick. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour, a bit more. We're going to take the bread and we're going to make it into a rectangle shape. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pinch the first two corners and push it right in the middle, like a little triangle. And then take the bottom two corners and put in the middle, like that. And then you're going to take the top and push it in, and the bottom push it in. And with this you're going to pinch it like you're making a dumpling. And after this you're going to turn it over and not really push underneath, so it's more secure. And once you're happy with that, you can toss it back in. And sprinkle a little bit more flour on top of that.